Hey y'all, it's that time of year. We're all needing a side dish or something to take to a church event, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any potluck. This sweet potato casserole just might be what you're looking for. So come on, and I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to make this sweet potato casserole. Turn around here now and go over the ingredients you're going to need to make this sweet potato casserole. Now let's talk about the ingredients it's going to take for this sweet potato casserole. You're going to need 3 cups of mashed sweet potatoes, 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of your vanilla flavoring, a dash of salt, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. And that is for the casserole itself. Now for the topping you're going to need 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of your crushed pecans, 1 cup of brown sugar, and just a few marshmallows. And this is going to be your topping ingredients for your sweet potato casserole. Okay, we're going to start by adding our 3 cups of mashed sweet potatoes to our stand mixer. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit because the first cup I didn't pack. Okay, that's 3 cups of your mashed sweet potatoes. Okay, now we're going to add our 1 cup of milk. And now to that, after I have my milk in, I'm going to go ahead now and add my 2 eggs. Our 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Just a dash of salt. And our 1 cup of sugar. And now we're going to mix. Okay, don't add your stick of butter until you get all your ingredients mixed together. Let it go about 3 to 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add my stick of butter in. And you just want it to be room temperature. You don't want to melt your butter. This sweet potato casserole you could even make ahead of time. So you could spend Thanksgiving with all your family and not in the kitchen all day. There's what it looks like, all mixed up. Now we're going to get it panned up and ready to bake. Spray your pan good so it does not stick. And now we're just going to put our casserole inside our pan. Our sweet potato mixture. Make sure you get it all out of there. And before you get ready to cook it, when you get your sweet potatoes done, or if you use a can of sweet potatoes, just make sure you drain them because you don't want all that extra juice. Okay, now you're going to put this in the oven for 25 minutes on 350 while you get your toppings mixed together. Don't put the top on it first. Bake it first for 25 minutes. Okay, now we're going to use this bowl right here and we're going to go ahead and do our topping for our sweet potato casserole. You're going to start by adding your 1 cup of brown sugar, or 1/2 cup of oatmeal, or 1/3 cup of flour, and then we have 1 cup of pecans, crushed. And now we're going to add our 1 stick of melted butter. Mix it around good. And we're going to just add that to all the other ingredients. And now we're going to mix the topping. And this will be like your crumble. And just mix it good till you get all that butter soaked up in all those pecans, your sugar, your oatmeal, and your flour. And then once your sweet potato souffle gets almost done, we're going to take it out of the oven and then we're going to place this crumble on top of it. And then we're going to bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. See the flour, the oatmeal, the brown sugar, and the pecans. That's going to make a good topping for this sweet potato souffle. And now we're just going to set this in the refrigerator while our casserole's cooking and let it chill. Okay, we just took it out of the oven and we cooked it the 25 minutes and it firmed up just a little. So now we're going to just add our marshmallows, just a few. I'm not going to like cover the whole top because I'm using my topping. But we're going to just add a few marshmallows in there. And now we're going to put our crumble on top of it that we made. We just got it out of the refrigerator and that helps just chilling. It helps it crumble a little bit better when that butter chills just for a few minutes. And now we're just going to take and cover the top. I may not use all this, but I'll have it if I need it. And this is good on any kind of, like cobblers. But at Thanksgiving, it's extra special on sweet potato casserole. And Christmas. We're going to use almost all of it because you want a good thick crumble crust. And now I'm just going to put a few marshmallows on top. And now we're going to put it back in the oven and cook it for around 15 more minutes, still on 350.
Look at those marshmallows turning brown. Oh, they look good.
Okay, now we're going to take our sweet potato casserole out of the oven. Oh, y'all, I bet it's going to be delicious. If you want your marshmallows just a little bit browner, you could, but this is how we like ours. Old-fashioned sweet potato souffle with your oatmeal, brown sugar, pecans, butter, marshmallow, and a little bit of flour topping. Okay, y'all, that's our video on sweet potato casserole, an old-timey dish that makes a great side. If you give it a try and you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. And we just want to say another big thanks for watching. And till next time, keep cooking.